How to find working Buffalo Wild Wings promo codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Buffalo Wild Wings promo code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get a working promo code for Buffalo Wild Wings. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open this one. Once you're on the website, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Buffalo Wild Wings. Just scroll down and check out the offers. 30% off, 20% off, 50% off, and many more. You can hit towards any of the offer that you want to grab. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Once you get the code, you can hit towards the website of Buffalo Wild Wings, log into your account, and use the code. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Buffalo Wild Wings. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to other website, as other website will also provide you working promo code for Buffalo Wild Wings. So this is how you can easily find working Buffalo Wild Wings promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.